Back4App is a backend as a service, a platform that helps developers to succeed by helping them to build a scalable backend faster for their applications and providing them a serverless architecture features. We have features like database, APIs, cloud functions, authentication, and they don't have to worry about infrastructure or scaling or any other aspect of their app's backend. Before Archbee, we had a very weird and messy structure for our documentation. We provide documentation to our users to use our platform, and and the process of uh, creating the docs, of publishing the docs, of reviewing the docs, of bringing together some external contributors to help us to create those docs were very, very painful. We have been using JQ with GitHub, but we had problems because, for example, people who were creating docs for us had to emulate all the environment on their machines, and that was like very weird. So when moving to Archbee, that kind of thing completely disappeared, and we were able to quickly uh, deploy the docs, to quickly add new people to our solution, to our platform, to our docs platform, and they were like just in a few clicks, just creating their docs. Other huge advantage of Archbee, it was to deliver us features out of the box that we don't have on our previous documentation, like search, like specific that can be specific widgets and specific sections um, for code, like Python, for Swift, for Dart. That because we had like a very as we are a developer too, we should provide them some snippets of code to their connections with us. So Archbee has like a very flexible environment to deliver that kind of content, and the UI, it's very customizable and very, very, very easy to set up. So that was like a jump in terms of productivity, because we were able to publish our docs in record time, and of user experience that was amazing. We easily set up our interfaces on Archbee to comply with, of course, our branding guidelines, and that was very easy. Why Archbee? Other alternatives, I would say that Archbee is. Uh, I had analyzed some options, but other alternatives were not like so developer focused. So Archbee helped us because between the analyzing the other alternatives, Archbee, it was the that one that had first a very easy way to use a hosted solution, because we don't wanted to host the platform. A very good response time, like in terms of one aspect that we've value when analyzed that kind of solution is the Google page speed. So Archbee it was like some leading when analyzing Google page speed, and of course the main point is that Archbee it was for our users the best solution because they could provide a developer friendly interface. So that was like uh, why we chose Archbee. What are some results you have seen? Well, as I have mentioned, the main result, it was like for our user that can that now had a user-friendly portal, which is more with new features like search, like very easy to understand coding boxes with a proper UI for each of the languages. And the second point I should mention is the productivity on creating and publishing the docs for our users. So that's amazing results we had with Archbee.